Hi everyone, this is Akshaya. Today I'm going to do this Christmas tree for a Christmas card. I basically do the painting and then scan and print it on the card. I have used 100% cotton paper. Before I start, I like to mask my paper on all the four sides. Now let's get right into it. I'm just going to start by sketching out a triangle shape that resembles a pine tree. You can decide how wide and thin you would like it to be. Basically, we would need three primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Before I finish the sketch, I start deciding the top of the pine tree with dark green colors. You can mix higher ratio of ultramarine blue with cadmium yellow to get dark green. Now let's add some not so perfect circles for the ornaments within the triangle shaped sketch. It is very necessary to sketch lighter before any painting. So I erase it to make it look lighter. Now I'm taking cadmium yellow for some of the ornaments. I want to do a round circle and soften the edges inside the circle with a wet brush, leaving some white highlight. I also lift some paint from the center of the circle with a tiny piece of paper towel. The triangle shape which I did in the beginning will be helpful to decide the placement of all the ornaments so that I don't lose the pine tree shape by mistake too. For the other ornaments, I am taking Scarlet Red and Ultramarine Blue. I have taken three pure primary colors for the ornaments. These three are the heart of color theory. For the branches, I start with the first layer by mixing ultramarine blue and lemon yellow with lot of lemon yellow in it. You need lot of water in your brush. As you can see, I'm mixing each time I paint, because I'm able to get variations in green color, and it is beautiful to be able to do that in watercolor. I want to keep my branches go upward in the edge, following that triangular shape. I see the beautiful variations of green coming through. You must take more water and less pigment in your first layer. I am also taking Cascade Green color from Daniel Smith. Wait till the first layer dries. For the second layer, I am taking dark green. We can get dark green by mixing ultramarine blue with cadmium yellow. I think it is best if you paint this layer in a small brush. I'm using Princeton size 2 brush. I like to leave some tiny spaces where I can see the first layer of green too. The branches go upward. I like these branches broken in some places. Again, if there is a variation in green, that means if we take more water or more pigment, that is absolutely okay for the pine tree. One important point of this layer is I don't paint on the ornaments. I only paint around it. If you see any pencil sketch near the branches, you can always erase it when the paint dries. I want the bottom branches to place it as facing straight in front of you. That way I think it looks beautiful for this pine tree. Now for the tree topper, I'm doing a star using Daniel Smith's Nickel Azo Yellow color. This is the best color I have seen. Instead of this color, you can also use a golden color. I wanted to use this color in one of the ornaments, so I'm changing the color here. Also, these ornaments have lighter value, so I am trying to apply more pigment in all the ornaments to make it look little brighter. I'm doing the same way as before. I'm leaving some highlight by lifting some pigment from the center using this tiny paper towel. When you scan any painting, the colors can vary digitally, so I try to edit it and make it better by color correcting it and correcting any mistakes. After that, I print it in a cardstock. That's it, guys. This is the final look of the Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for more such videos. If you are still here, thank you for watching till the end. Bye.